Good morning to you. Right to Kollegala District, and we'll be visiting Dzogchen Monastery. So I'm already running late, and I have a friend with me, Nishchal. So I have to fill my tank, and the meeting point is another 15 minutes away. So let's see how it goes. I'll catch you up later. So, ಹೌದಾ? ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಕೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮಾಡೋಣ. So this is the lineup for today. Tram Street Triple, Himalayan 411, Interceptor, Hunter, Dominar, Continental, Hunter again, Guerrilla, then a Honda CB300. This one is, it's a Ducati. Wow. Yes. Oh. So this is Apurva.
Hi. Hi, how are
You are my
request you guys to be in between. Leave 3 to 4 bikes and then you can be. And as the group is very less, we can form one line and I'll be the leading. I have this jacket 411 Himalayan.
The ride has started, has begun. Look at that lineup, man. Wow. Wow. So they're indicating that there's a barricade over there, hence the hazard lights. So the riders behind need to slow down. So we have come near Ravi Shankar Ashram. The art of living. Look at the board, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, SSRBM. Whoa, the building looks cool. Another group of people here. Yeah. this junction here, if you take a left, look at that canopy. So if you take a left here, you go to Maralavadi Dam. Oh, the speed limit is 100. Some more bikers. Hey! Hey! Moderator, hey! ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೆಡ್ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್. ಹಂಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂಚೂರು ಆಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್ರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡ್ಸೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಯಾವ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನ? ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನಿಬ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು. This is Tondaling Tibetan settlement. Suswagata. That's the entrance. There's a bell over there. This is where the monks live. So this is actually a 3,200 acres of land given to Tibetan monks. So in the year 1950, Dzogchen, what do you call it? Dzogchen Monastery is there in Tibet. So in the year 1950 it was destroyed by fire due to cultural clashes. Damn. So then later on in the year 1984, I think it's not the 14th Dalai Lama actually started the construction of the monastery, Dzogchen Monastery in South India, which is in Karnataka near Kollegala. So look at these. How crazy is that? Those are the turning bells. This one looks like the Himalayan mountains. They're building one more here. And these are the ones. Oh, they are massive. Damn.
Whispers rise from the mountain's crest. Snow-kissed winds carry dreams at rest. Lanterns glow in the in the valley deep, 1,000 prayers the silence keeps. Echoes dance where the yaks do roam. Spirits hum in their ancient home. A melody spun from earth and sky. Boundless wings teach the soul